What is site cleaning? Site cleaning is the initial construction activity that prepares land for execution. It involves removing vegetation, debris, loose soil, waste materials, and other obstructions that may affect layout marking and foundation work. It ensures construction begins on a clear and stable surface. Why site cleaning is required? Uncleared sites may contain organic matter, roots, or soft patches that can reduce soil-bearing capacity, cause uneven settlement, affect layout accuracy, create safety risks. Proper site cleaning ensures accurate marking, safe machinery movement, and stable ground for excavation. Technical scope: removal of shrubs, roots, and organic topsoil, clearing debris and dumped material, minor leveling of surface irregularities, disposal of waste outside the work zone. If required, 150 to 300 millimeters of organic soil is removed when unsuitable for construction. How Anagh Smart Infra differs. At Anagh Smart Infra, site cleaning is done systematically before layout marking. The surface is inspected for loose or weak zones before proceeding to excavation. Unlike many local contractors who treat it as basic clearing, Anagh Smart Infra treats it as a foundational quality step. Cleaning is the first controlled step towards safe and stable construction.